Here's a follow-up report on the Lagos flooding situation. Lagos flood worsens. Cars submerged. Residents wade through streets. The flooding situation in Lagos has deteriorated as heavy rains continue to lash the city. Areas previously experiencing traffic congestion, like Iyano Oworo, Olopomeji, and Third Mainland Bridge, are now grappling with submerged vehicles and pedestrians wading through floodwaters. Reports indicate that cars are submerged in the Bagada and Oshodi areas, further crippling traffic flow. Social media footage shows commuters trekking along the normally busy Alepere to Third Mainland Bridge axis, highlighting the extent of the disruption. Authorities urge extreme caution. The Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, LASEMA, advises residents to stay safe and avoid flooded roads. Motorists are encouraged to stay updated on traffic conditions and plan alternative routes if necessary. We'll continue to provide updates as the situation unfolds.